Hello, we will talk about Antigua Barbuda. Do you know this country called Antigua Barbuda? And do you know where this country? At first, we introduce a place.
Please look at picture. This is the South American continent. Antigua Barbuda is located its north. There is this country between South American continent and North American continent. It is an island. This country is very hot. So throughout the year will be located near the equator. The equator is located 0 degree. So it is hot by tropical climate throughout the year. It is very important about this country. The country is divided into Antigua Island and Barbuda Island and Redonda Island, so some islands. Culture and population are different in each island. Please look at the picture. This is the national flag of this country. We introduce a small park. The capital is St. John's. St. John's is the city that is very beautiful in the port town. The next about population. Population about 68,000 people. The people of this country live most in St. John's. The next about area. Area is 443 square kilometers. The country is larger than Japan. The next about language. National language is English. As a second language, Creole is spoken.
The famous place of this country is the Caribbean Sea, because this country is surrounded by the Caribbean Sea. Many tourists visit this sea every year. The sunset from the beach, in particular, is popular. If everybody may go to this country, please go to this sea.
This is the St. John's Sanctuary. It is in this country, but it's in Hong Kong. Both were built for the Royal Era in the UK. This is the museum in the Antigua Island of Antigua and Barbuda. It was then called the Holy Mountain once. It is the country's highest peak of 402 meters above sea level to be located in the southwestern part of the island. The currency which the East Caribbean is published in East Caribbean Monthly Union of the East Caribbean Countries mechanism, and is used in 8 Caribbean nations and areas. It is often called the EC ダラってか変わってね。
Next, I talk about the temperature and precipitation of this country. First, I introduce me from temperature. Please read the left figure, everybody. The average annual temperature of this country is 26.9 degrees. For temperature tropical in this country always has high temperature. Finally, I introduce me from precipitation. Please read the right figure, everybody. The average annual precipitation of this country is 1049 millimeters. As I understand it from figure, this country has little precipitation for tropical. In particular, fall has much precipitation and winter has little precipitation.
The currency which the East Caribbean dollar is published in East Caribbean country, Union of the East Caribbean countries mechanism, and is used in 8 Caribbean nations and areas. It is often called the Easy dollar. The Caribbean dollar is published in the East Caribbean Central Bank in St. Christopher and Nevis. Based on East Caribbean Central Bank Treaty signed in part of Spain on July 5, 1983. The bank discussed succession of the East Caribbean currency engine, which there was already established. In other words, it is a currency of the succession of the West Indies that are spent in the West Indies countries.
Because I want to talk about famous food. Antigua and Barbuda is the most produced sugar corn. This country has a lot of land of the sugar corn because it is a warm area. The left lower photograph is food called the bucana. A bucana is an Antigua and Barbuda traditional dish. This food uses raisin, wet flour, sweet potato, and coconut in the leaf of the banana. The right upper photograph is food called the siamos. This drink is combined with milk and sugar. The right lower photograph is food called the seasoned rice. This food uses many vegetables. For example, green pepper, soybean, tomato, and onion. This rice is very delicious. Next, I want to talk about the famous sports. There are 3 famous sports in Antigua and Barbuda. First is cricket. Cricket is the most famous sport in this country. Cricket is a sport similar to baseball. This sport uses a bat and ball. The competition population is the second place of the world next to soccer. This country has Vivian Richards Stadium. This stadium can accommodate 20,000 people. Second sport is soccer, but this country is not strong. FIFA ranking about 83. Third sport is track and field. There are 2 famous players of Brendan Christian and Daniel Bailey in this country. In 2015, they took 6 places at the World Championship in Athletics. Antigua and Barbuda is a country which is not known very much, but please try to go Antigua and Barbuda because it is a very good place. Thank you for listening.